So today we are going to be doing my long-awaited room tour. Nobody probably gives a f anymore because I waited so long to do it. My room has changed so much in the time span that I've been here. Been here for about 5 years. And I changed my room a lot, and I promised like, oh, I'm going to do a room tour, I never did one. So we're doing it now. I tried to make it as perfect as I can. I realized, you know, like it's never going to be perfect enough for me to want to film the video, so I'm just going to have to like break down and just film
and defeat perfectionism.
Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Seriah. I am 24 years old. A little background. This is my home. So I do live with my parents. A lot of people my age are like,
you know, you need to move out, like you shouldn't be home right now.
Yes, I'm not gonna lie, I do want to have my own place, my own space. It would be amazing, believe me, I definitely know. But right now, this is the best decision for me to live at home right now, and I do have future plans on when I am planning on moving out, but I want to do it the right way, the smart way. Thankfully, I have a family that still wants me to be here. Even though I know in the future I am wanting to move out, I'm still gonna make this space as homey as it can be no matter what, because this is where I spend most of my time. You know, I'm here for the aesthetics, so yes. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you like this video. Please, please, please like this video. Likes help so much with pushing my videos out to the algorithm. And of course, if you want to see more videos from me, definitely subscribe. Alright, so I'm doing it old school. I'm holding my camera. I'm just gonna go through and show y'all my room. When you walk through, this is what you see. Okay, so this is the door. I probably should have took this off. I had this on the back of my door. Basically, it's just like a little bag to hold all my water bottles. Okay, so this is the back of my door. I just have these little hooks. I had them since forever. I just put those here to hang up my bags on the back of my door, and this robe, I don't know why it's here actually. And definitely, if you have a small room, definitely utilize like the back of the door space, everything like that. You'll see how I utilize more space in my room later on in this video. Here I have a little bin. This was going to be, honestly I don't remember. Let me just show y'all this wall. This is my favorite wall in my room. I should have waited, but basically I was just throwing stuff in here that I don't know where to put yet. But I started using this bin as a not dirty, not clean laundry bin. So basically, like the clothes that I wear that aren't really clean but aren't dirty enough to be in the laundry, I put it in this bin so I can pick throughout the week. I hate wires and outlets and stuff. Oh, I hate it so much. So that's why I put this bin here to kind of cover it. But it's just an extension cord, and I have something to charge my batteries. Moving on, we have this, what is this called? A cube shelf. So we're gonna start at the top. I have my salt lamp, which I had since forever. It honestly, it doesn't get hot anymore. I think maybe I need to change the light, but it's supposed to heat up, and that's how you get like the benefits from it. And then we have this painting here that everybody made fun of me for. Okay, don't tell anybody, but I seen this online, and I was like, oh my god, like that's so cute. It was like $50, and I was like, no. So I went on Procreate and I made it myself. I did change it up a little bit so it's not complete plagiarism, but I decided to design it myself, and everybody was like, what is this? And I'm like, it's art, leave me alone. Picasso, okay?
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
And then I have this candle here. I just went on a candle shopping spree and bought like 5 candles. This one smells so good. It's called Ocean and Salt. It's almost done. And then I have my Polaroid camera. Here I have it's like a vase, whatever. Thought it was so cute. It's actually made for plants. I had bought these little oil diffuser reeds, and I didn't know where to put them, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna stick them in here for now. But it ended up looking kind of cute, so I just left it in there. And probably in the future I'll probably put like a little cactus plant in there, but yeah. Moving on to the bottom here, I got a Louis Vuitton gift. This is an oil diffuser. Got this from Marshall's, I think. Then I just have this little decor piece spear in the back there just to add more to the shelf. I got that from Marshall's too, I think, or Home Goods, one of those stores. In this next cube, I have a candle, of course. Then I just have this picture frame of me and my family on New Year's. It's black and white, and I love this frame so much. Then here I have a fake plant that I stole from my mom. She said I can have it, so yeah. I'll probably go in the drawers. In the drawers here, I have some books. I don't like to have the books out just because the colors mess up my aesthetic, so I'd like to keep it hidden. Here I just have some hair, so like ponytails, gel, things like that. More hair products down here. This is all my curly hair products. It's full. This is like one of the heaviest baskets I have. It doesn't even close all the way. More hair stuff on this side. This is also hair. So like, again, ponytails, extensions, all that type of stuff, wigs. This bottom one is where I keep all my camera equipment. And here I just have like stationery supplies. So like paper, markers, pens, pencils, scissors, tape, things like that is all in there. And that is everything in these drawers. I think it came out really good. I'm happy with how it looks. I'll probably change it in like a few months because I get tired of things so easily. Next is this clothing rack. I didn't think I can fit a clothing rack in my room, but this is amazing. I love this so much. I have my whole, when I tell you, I have my whole closet of clothes on this rack, which is amazing. But I did want it to look not so cluttered and color coded, so I don't have everything obviously out. Then I just hang my hats on the side of the clothing rack. It has these little stoppers here, I don't know. And then at the bottom I just have sneakers, of course, and then I have my tripod right there. Don't know where to put it. I normally just keep it there so it's easy to grab. These shoes I just got from Shoe Dazzle. Moving on, so this is the wall. And guys, you know I love my lights. I have my curtain lights hung up here. I put those up for Christmas, but I just left them because I love how it looks. So I'm keeping them up because it's just nice. Why would I take it down, you know? And then obviously the star of the show is my neon light. I got this for Christmas from my parents. I love this thing so much. It's so cute. It just adds to my room and it has my name. Okay, so let's move on to the other side of the room. So from the door, from this wall, we go to, you see my closet here, and then just the other side over here. So this is my bed. I got this bed from IKEA. This blanket is just a white blanket. I need to get a new one because it's kind of messed up, but it's really nice. I like white blankets. It just adds, makes the room look brighter. I don't know where it's from too. And then these pillows, I tried to like get on the pillow game. It was hard for me, I'm not gonna lie. I just got 2 white pillows. I need to like punch this one. These are from Amazon. I'll have it linked. And then I have my silk pillowcases behind that, also from Amazon. And then I just have one really long pillow in the back. Then I just have this artwork here I got from Society 6. I paid way too much for it, not gonna lie. I love Society 6 though, and it's crooked, which irritates me. I was told that it looks like the picture that comes in the frame when you purchase it. So that made me feel like I wasted my money, but yeah, I'm probably gonna change it out soon because I don't really know. I didn't know what I was doing. Alright, so moving on, we're gonna back up a little bit. Back to the door, we have my closet here. Closet is so small, I had to utilize the space as much as I can. I'm kind of scared to open it because it's kind of messy but still functional, if that makes sense. So y'all seen I redid my closet, so I put in these shelves here. But yeah, we built this in, and I mean it's been great for storage and everything because this closet is small. And then on the side here is something that I recently did, which y'all probably seen in my vlog. I put in these shelves here. It's really messy, but it does what it needs to do. I have all my like self-care products like toothbrush, skincare, all that stuff. This is what happens when you live at home. I just have all my shit in here. And then another way I'm utilizing the space back here is on the back of the closet. I hung up this hook. I actually did this today, but I hung this hook up to hang my robe so that it's not just out. I want everything hidden in a way. Next, I have this fireplace here. I have this Buddha head. I put some fairy lights in it today, which would probably look really nice at night, maybe, I don't know. Have another candle here. Then I have my TV. I get made fun of again for my TV. Let me put something on the TV first of all, because there's lights on the back. Put some lights on the back of my TV, so I just had to turn it on so you guys can see. But yes, I get made fun of for my TV because it's so small, and they're like, just get another TV, like get a bigger TV, get a TV, like hang it on the wall. Which, okay, eventually I'm probably gonna do that, but I'm happy with my little TV right now. Okay, I had this TV in college, so I just like brought it home, but it does the job, it does what it needs to do, and I'm happy with it. And then I just have my my Alexa over here. Okay, I almost slipped up. This was a plant holder. I just use it to hold all of my remotes now in my Sage. Moving to the fireplace. The fireplace actually does, it's not real obviously, duh, okay. It's an electrical fireplace and it does give out heat which is amazing in the winter time. My room is always warm because of this thing. It probably runs up the electric bill, I'm not gonna lie. Over here I have my laundry bin, and then I have my plant. I hung it up on the ceiling, which was a freaking nightmare, I'm not gonna lie. It was easy, but it took me way too long to do because I had it here at one point. I didn't like it, so I had to move it on this side, which it looks way better over here. It was just horrible. I couldn't find the stud with the stud finder. It was just a nightmare. So I ended up getting like those swag hooks and hanging it up like that, which was really, really easy. Recommend doing that instead. And then I have some Polaroid pictures above my mirror next to my plant. I can't wait to fill it up more and hang up some more photos, but yeah, that's what I have right now. And then we have my mirror. I was actually gonna get a new one because I wanted a taller one, like a really tall one. I didn't realize how expensive floor mirrors were. They were like 200 plus. So I was like, I'm gonna keep this one and just like position it on the floor where so that it fits my whole body, and I'm short, so it works. I just got this plant like 30 minutes ago, but I went to a local farm and I picked up a Monstera plant, which I love. It's bigger than what I wanted, to be honest, because I didn't want it to take up that much space, but that's the only one they had. But it's so pretty, I love it. So moving on to my desk area, desk/vanity. So on the side of my desk here, I got really tired of having papers on my desk. I really don't like anything on my desk. Like, honestly, if I could take these things off, I would, but I have nowhere else to put them. I went to Target and I bought this little clear container. I got some command hooks and I attached it to the side of this desk. By the way, this desk is from IKEA, of course. It's like the basic desk that everyone has. It was like one of the most genius ideas I think I've ever came up with. I put all my mail in here so that it's not out throughout the week, or on Sunday I'll just go through it. I highly recommend doing this just to keep yourself more organized and just keep papers off your desk, out of your space. You know, it's just annoying to have papers on there. Now we have my mirror. This is what, let me sit down. This is what the desk is looking like. I have this pillow here because honestly, this chair is really uncomfortable. It's cute, so I'm keeping it. So I have this pillow here to make it a little bit more comfortable sitting on. On top here, I have just a little candle that I reused, and now I just put my pens and stuff that I use for like my daily planning in there. I have my reading light, and then I have this little mirror here, which I'm probably gonna get a new one. And then obviously I have this big mirror here, like my vanity mirror, also from IKEA. Here I just have, again, another candle that I reused for my makeup brushes. And then here I have my diffuser that lights up also. Inside, I wasn't going to show y'all, but because I kind of messed it up a little bit. Inside this drawer is just hair stuff, and then I just have my makeup and everything like that. I can control my light too from my phone. I can also change the color if I want to, like pink or blue or whatever. Over here in this little corner on the side of my desk and in between these drawers, I have these little laptop trays I use for when I'm doing work in my bed. Is it cute to have it here? No, but it's functional, so I just keep it there for now. Next I have these little Alex, whatever they're called. I'll be calling them Alex and Annie drawers, but like that's a whole brand. They're called something like those, I think Alex drawers, I don't know, but they're from IKEA. Everybody has these. I don't like what's going on at the top here, I'm not gonna lie, I hate it. But it's the best that I could come up with for right now. I just have this lamp and the lighting is so bad. That's one project that I'm still working on, is getting a ceiling light for my room. And then I just have these books that I'm reading right now. Honestly, I'm not even reading these two yet, but I have them here. I might put them away because I don't like anything out. And then I have my jewelry here. I don't think it's the cutest. I might change it out eventually, but this is just where I keep it for now. And then I got my crystals on my windowsill. These are the only crystals I have right now, so I'm definitely looking to expand. I don't even know how to properly use them yet, but they're here in case they need to be used, okay? Alright, so inside these drawers, I'm not gonna really go through all of them because it's a lot, but I just keep like basic stuff, so like everyday stuff. Here is like beauty stuff, so like lotions. This drawer is all perfume. This drawer is hair stuff. This drawer is for nail stuff. This drawer is like a beauty drawer. I don't really know what to call this drawer. Down here is just technology stuff, so like my hard drive, keyboard, all that shit. Down here is wires, and this is just the I don't know where to put it drawer, the junk drawer. And we are back at my bed. This drawer is a mess, but I keep like blankets, bikinis, like seasonal stuff in here. This drawer right here is just like, you know, underwear, bra. Moving on to this side, pants, sweatpants, all that stuff, shorts in there. And then in this drawer, it's all like shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts. As much as you can, try to utilize every piece of furniture that you have and try to make extra storage out of it. And that is pretty much everything. I'll do a quick overview. If you haven't already, definitely make sure that you subscribe, like this video if you haven't already. Comment down below the heart eye emoji if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video if you subscribe. Bye.